In this video, I'll guide you through how to hide a page in Jotform so you can control exactly what your users see as they fill out your form. This is really useful if you want to show or hide certain pages based on a person's answers, or if you simply want to keep some pages hidden unless specific conditions are met. First, open your browser and go to jotform.com. If you aren't already logged in, sign in to your account so you can access your forms. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right workspace or account, especially if you manage forms for multiple projects or teams. Once you're on the main Jotform dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the option labeled All. This takes you to a list of all the forms associated with your account. Here, you'll see every form you've created or have access to, which makes it easy to find the one you want to work with. Next, find the specific form where you want to hide a page. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of forms. When you've located the right form, click on it and then choose Edit Form. This opens the form builder where you can modify questions, pages, and, in this case, the conditions that control visibility. Inside the form builder, look toward the top of the screen and click on the Settings tab. This area is where you manage how your form behaves, things like emails, integration options, and conditional logic. Since we want to control when a page is hidden, all of that will happen here. Within the Settings tab, find and click on Conditions. Conditions are Jotform's way of letting you add logic to your form, so different things can happen depending on how people answer questions. This is the key to hiding a page automatically instead of manually turning it on or off. After opening Conditions, choose the option called Show at Hide Page. This specific condition type lets you control whether an entire page of your form is visible or not based on rules you define. It's more powerful than hiding a single field because it affects the entire page at once. Now it's time to set up the logic. Start by selecting the IF field and the state. Here, you choose what Jotform should look at and how it should evaluate it. For example, you might use IF a certain question is equal to a specific answer, or IF a field is filled, depending on your form's design. The state helps define the condition more precisely, like whether it should match exactly or just be filled out. Once you've chosen your condition, move to the DO section and select the action to hide page. Then choose which page you want to hide when that condition is met. This tells Jotform that whenever your IF rule becomes true, it should automatically hide the page you selected from the user. When you're done, save your condition and test the form to make sure the page hides the way you expect. That's all you need to do to hide a page in Jotform using conditions.